Welcome to my next video of linking the issues. So we go to our project. There is this epic. We go to this backlog. We see there are 2 user stories, 2 bugs. Now we want to link EA02 with EA1 and EA6 with EA5. So when we test the header, we get an issue of header does not have kit section, and when we test the hamburger, we see that order history is not there. So we want to link this. So we go to EA2 and we see this we have already linked EA2 with EA1. Now I will show you how to link EA. Now I have opened EA6. EA6 I will link with EA5. What is EA5? That's the header. So what I will do is I will just go here. I will just go add linked issue. Is blocked by or is blocks. Means if this bug is there, what it will block? It will block our this user story. There is 2 options, blocks and blocked by. So this bug is not blocked by this user story. This user story is blocked by this bug. So blocks EA5 link. So now under this user story, this user story is blocked by this bug. So we can link the bugs like this. Now everywhere you can see this add parent. Add parent means epic. So here we have created an epic. We'll just go epic. So now this epic is linked with this user story. We also want to link EA1 epic with this user story. So EA1 add parent epic. So if we go to refresh it, now we can see this epic has 2 user stories. If we go to user story 1, this is blocked by this bug, and if we go to EA5, this EA5 is blocked by EA6. So this is how we see that how to link any bug with user story and how to add parent with for any user story. Thank you guys. Please support my channel through subscribing and liking it. Thank you.